Well, thank you for all your recent comments and questions on my last video on the Campanula Porto. So a couple of the questions you've been asking, first of all, is it a perennial? Will it come back year after year? And the answer is yes. Once it's planted, it will grow and flower every year. Secondly, you asked where can you plant it? It's ideal for planting in rockeries, borders, along beds to edge a bed. You can use it to spill and trail over a dry stone wall. Very simple and easy plant to grow. You've also asked about the best location and situation in the garden. Ideally, Campanula likes to be in a bright open area. It can be south facing, west facing. It will tolerate a little bit of shade, but the more shade that you plant it in, the less flowers you're going to get. So as much as possible, keep it in a bright location. And you also asked, can it be planted in a pot and container? And the answer is yes. You can use it in window boxes, in patio planters with other plants, or you can plant it out directly into the garden soil. In time, it will spread and cover an area of about 2 feet in diameter, and it grows to 5 or 6 inches in height every year. Beautiful plant called Campanula Porto. It is perennial, it will flower every year.